Okay, stop scrolling for a second. Are you looking for ways to make extra money? Do you feel like you don't have any special talents or skills that people would pay for? Maybe you've seen online gurus talking about coding or graphic design and thought, that's not me. What if I told you there are simple ways to start making money on the side right now in 2025, even if you think you have zero skills? Yes, seriously. These are real ways to earn extra cash that don't require a college degree, special training, or years of experience. All they need is some of your time and a willingness to get started. If you're ready to boost your income without learning something completely new, keep watching. We're counting down the top 10 side hustles you can start with zero skills in 2025. Number 10. Deliver food or groceries. This is a super popular side hustle. And for good reason. You don't need any special skills, just a car or a bike, a smartphone, and some free time. Companies that deliver food from restaurants or groceries from stores are always looking for drivers. You sign up for their app, go online when you have time, and accept delivery requests. You pick up the order and take it to the customer. You earn money for each delivery, plus tips. You work when you want, set your own hours, and get paid for driving around, which you might already enjoy. It's straightforward, requires following directions, and gets you earning quickly. Number 9. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, this is a perfect side hustle that requires no special skills beyond being responsible and caring. Many people need someone to look after their pets while they are at work or on vacation. You can offer to walk dogs, feed cats, or even stay at someone's house to care for their pets. You can find clients through word of mouth, local social media groups, or dedicated pet sitting websites and apps. You set your own rates and decide which jobs you want to take. It's a flexible way to earn money, spend time with animals, and provide a valuable service to pet owners. The main requirements are reliability, trustworthiness, and a genuine care for animals. Number 8. Becoming a virtual assistant for simple tasks. The term virtual assistant might sound fancy, but many people need help with really basic online tasks. These don't require special skills, just organization and the ability to follow instructions. Think about things like scheduling social media posts, replying to simple emails using a template, organizing files on a computer, or doing online research that just involves searching and copying information. Many busy people or small business owners are happy to pay someone to take these simple, time-consuming tasks off their hands. You can find these jobs on freelance websites or by reaching out to people in your network. You need basic computer skills and the ability to communicate clearly. No advanced degrees or special certifications are necessary. Number 7. Data entry. This side hustle is exactly what it sounds like. Entering data into spreadsheets, databases, or online forms. It requires basic typing skills and attention to detail, but no specialized knowledge about the data itself. Companies often have large amounts of information that need to be transferred or organized digitally, and they hire people to do this simple but necessary work. You can find data entry jobs on freelance platforms or job boards. The pay per hour might not be high, but the work is usually straightforward and doesn't require any complex thinking or problem solving. It's a repetitive task, but if you are accurate and can focus, you can earn steady income. Number 6. Website testing. Did you know you can get paid to visit websites and share your opinions on them? Companies want to know if their websites are easy to use and understand before they launch them or after they make changes. You can sign up for website testing platforms, and they will pay you to visit a website, complete specific tasks, like finding a product or signing up for something, and record your screen and thoughts as you do it. You just need a computer with a microphone and internet access. You don't need any technical skills, just the ability to navigate a website and speak your thoughts out loud clearly. Each test usually takes about 15-20 minutes and pays a decent amount for the time invested. Number 5. Cleaning services. This is a side hustle that will always be in demand. People need their homes and offices cleaned, and it doesn't require any special skills beyond being thorough and reliable. You can offer cleaning services to individuals or businesses in your area. You can start by cleaning for friends and family, and then get clients through referrals or local advertising. You set your own rates and schedule. It's physically demanding work, but it doesn't require any learned skills. You provide a clean and tidy space for your clients, and they pay for your time and effort. It's a straightforward service that many people are happy to pay for to save themselves time and effort. Number 4, moving help. Moving is a lot of work, and many people need help lifting and carrying heavy boxes and furniture. If you are physically able, you can offer your services as a moving helper. You don't need to own a truck or have any special equipment, just your strength and reliability. People often post on local online groups or use apps to find temporary help for moving day. You can work for individuals or partner with small local moving companies that need extra hands. It's hard physical work, but it pays reasonably well for the time spent, and it doesn't require any skills beyond being able to lift and follow instructions. It's a simple exchange of your physical effort for money. Number 3, selling unused items. Online, look around your house again. Do you have clothes you don't wear, electronics you don't use, or furniture you don't need anymore? You can sell these items online and make money. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to list items, connect with buyers, and get paid. You need to take some pictures, write a simple description, and package the item when it sells. It doesn't require any special sales skills, just the ability to present your items clearly and communicate with buyers. You are turning clutter into cash, which is a very simple and effective way to earn money on the side using things you already own. Number 2, participating. In paid research studies, universities, marketing companies, and research organizations often pay people to participate in studies. These can range from filling out questionnaires to participating in focus groups or testing new products. They are usually looking for people who fit specific age groups, demographics, or consumer habits. You don't need any special skills, just the ability to follow instructions and provide honest feedback. You can find these opportunities online on research study websites or through university departments. Number 1, being a general handyman or task runner for simple jobs. Many people need help with small jobs around their house or with errands they don't have time for. This could be anything from assembling furniture, changing a light bulb, doing some yard work, picking up dry cleaning, or waiting in line for something. You don't need to be a skilled tradesperson. You just need to be reliable, willing to help, and able to complete simple tasks. You can find these jobs through local connections, community groups, or apps designed for odd jobs and tasks. You offer your time and willingness to help with everyday chores and errands that others are too busy to do themselves. It requires no special skills, just dependability and a helpful attitude. So there you have it, 10 side hustles you can start in 2025. Even if you feel like you have zero skills, these options focus on using your time, your energy, your existing assets, or your willingness to help others with basic tasks. They prove that you don't need to learn something complex to start boosting your income on the side. What's most important is taking action and getting started. Now the big question for you is, which of these zero-skill side hustles do you think you could start this week to begin making extra money? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video gave you some good ideas, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on earning money and improving your life. We appreciate your support.